In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your role in Zapier step by step so you can update your account details quickly and with confidence. This is a simple process, but if you're new to Zapier, it helps to know exactly where to click so you don't waste time searching through menus. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, open Zapier and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Zapier dashboard, where you can access your account and profile settings. From there, look toward the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is usually where Zapier keeps important account options, so once you click it, you'll see a menu appear. In that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, click My Profile. This takes you to the Personal Profile area, where you can manage details related to your account. Now scroll down until you find the Role section. This is where your current role is displayed, and it's the part you'll need to update. Click the Role drop-down menu to see the available options. Zapier will show you the roles you can choose from, so take a moment to review the list carefully before making your selection. Select your preferred role from the menu. Make sure it's the correct one for the way you want to use Zapier, whether that's for your current responsibilities, your team setup, or your account preference. After choosing the new role, pause for a second and review it to make sure everything looks right. It's always a good idea to double check before saving, especially if this role affects how your account is categorized. Once you're satisfied with the change, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll find the Save button there. Click Save to confirm your new role and apply the changes to your profile. After that, Zapier will update your account with the selected role. And that's it. You've now changed your role in Zapier. It only takes a minute once you know where to go, and now you can do it anytime you need to update your profile. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Zapier tips and walkthroughs in the future.